Here's a 2015 Ram 1500. Ram trucks are consistently recognized and awarded as some of the best. This 1500 continues that tradition. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, and power heated mirrors. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Ram gets the job done. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.